To download Klarna financing, start by visiting the Klarna website or mobile app. Klarna is a popular payment service that allows users to purchase items now and pay for them later in installments. First, create a Klarna account if you do not already have one. Click on the Sign Up button and provide the required information, including your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide some personal and financial information to verify your identity and determine your eligibility for financing. Once you have created your account, browse the Klarna website or app to find a merchant that offers Klarna financing. Klarna has partnered with thousands of merchants, including popular retailers and online stores. When you find a merchant that offers Klarna financing, select the items you want to purchase and proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, select Klarna as your payment method and choose the financing option that best suits your needs. Klarna offers several financing options, including pay in 4 installments, pay in 30 days, and financing up to 36 months. After selecting your financing option, review and agree to the terms and conditions of the loan. Make sure you understand the interest rate, repayment terms, and any fees associated with the loan. Finally, confirm your purchase and Klarna will provide you with a virtual card to complete the transaction. You can then download the Klarna app to manage your payments and track your account activity. It is essential to note that Klarna financing is subject to approval and not all purchases will be approved. Additionally, late payments may result in fees and interest charges, so make sure you make your payments on time to avoid any additional costs. By following these steps, you can easily download Klarna financing and start shopping with the flexibility to pay for your purchases over time. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the loan and make your payments on time to avoid any issues.